Now, if a person has, let's just say, person needs treatment. If he has sleep apnea, there are two options. Of course, sleep with the CPAP machine, or have surgery. And surgery is advocated if there is a clear-cut structural problem, like he has a deviated nasal septum, enlarged turbinates, or even a sinus problem for which he requires surgery, or if he has huge tonsils, a very long uvula, and is not overweight. These are structural problems that will not change unless the person has surgery. So then we advise the patient to go for surgery. But no matter what structural problems the patient may have, he can always try the CPAP machine first as an option. If he's unable to tolerate the machine, or he doesn't want to sleep with the machine every day, then he can opt for surgery straight away. But if the sleep apnea and the snoring is due to weight, the patient is overweight, then no matter what you do for the patient, whether you offer him surgery, you can offer them surgery. Surgery will help to a certain extent. But as a year goes by, 2 years go by, and the patient puts back the weight again that he has lost, or carries on putting on weight, the problems tend to come back. So it's not worth having anything surgical done unless you're willing to lose the weight. If your problem is due to weight and weight alone, then I think you either use a CPAP machine and try and lose weight, or just use a CPAP machine. That's it. So we see where the problem is, and then we treat accordingly and give the patients their various options, and they can decide what they want.